We'll show a short video here on Accelerate via additional roles through 3DExperience CATIA. In the following demonstration, we'll see how PLM Collaboration Services opens up the power of the 3DExperience platform for collaborative electrical systems development. We'll use the example of a car seat where the mechanical structure was designed in CATIA V5 and the electrical harness is designed using 3DExperience CATIA. We start with a CATIA V5 user using the 3DExperience platform where all the data is stored. We can select all the data and visualize the data created in V5 and 3DExperience CATIA. We can select V5 data and open the V5 session just as we traditionally do, and from there continue to the mechanical design. Now we're in wire harness design using 3DExperience CATIA. We select and build the session consisting of V5 data for mechanical and all the electrical data that is 3DExperience CATIA, including the airbag equipment and all the connectors. We place a connector in the airbag unit, and we start routing the bundle from the existing bundle, which is at the bottom of the seat. We go through a support, and again, this support is 3DExperience CATIA. The rest is V5 data, which we are using as a context through which to route our bundle. The bundle is more or less space reservation, guided by the surface. There is no direct link. It is simply used as a reference to create the shape of the bundle, just as you would do if you were using the complete 3DExperience CATIA. We connect to the end of the connector we just placed, and we can add a branch point here from the bundle just created to another connector for the grounding of this airbag unit. We can give it a little bit of overlength to enable the easy connection or disconnection of the cable. And we're going to do the same at the top using local slack between the two red points. And they want an overlength of 2 millimeters to make it easier to disconnect the cable. We have capabilities to check the harness to see if everything is connected, that all the connectors of all the bundles are connected using network analysis. Since everything was green there, all is connected. Again, these are all 3DExperience electrical functionalities that help the designer create the harness much more easily than was the case in V5. The next step is to import the wires, the conductors coming from our own schematic system or an external ECAD system. We can import them so we have them in our session. They are not yet routed through the bundle, but they have a from to check, and we have a from to for every wire, as you can see here in blue. The next step is to route the conductors inside the bundles we've created to obtain the wire length and calculate the diameter of the bundles based on the number of wires inside and each wire diameter. We can analyze that using link review. In the highlighted section, we have 2 conductors, and in the ground and the airbag, we have only 1. And you can see that the diameter is different when we have more wires. Of course, we also have the length calculation because we know which wire is going through which bundle. We can analyze that here, or we can create reports for the whole session. Now we see the role of the project leader who doesn't have access to CATIA, just access to the platform. He can create his own dashboards to visualize or analyze data which is on the system. And he could just drag and drop the combination of V5 and 3DExperience data into a 3D play session. Here he can visualize and check the geometry and better understand the status of the current design without having access to CATIA, either V5 or 3DExperience. That concludes the short demo. We've seen how 3DExperience Electrical provides a first-class user experience which improves quality and reduces design time. This collaborative electrical systems development platform brings together all stakeholders. We've also seen how existing CATIA V5 processes can continue to be used, but the value of the V5 data is extended by making it available to all. And we've seen how powerful new functionalities can supplement existing processes with 3DExperience CATIA. So that was an example of how, once your data is in the 3D Experience platform, you can take advantage of some of the huge portfolio of roles and apps that exist on the 3D Experience platform. Not just CATIA, but other brands such as Simulia, Delmia, and all the other brands where you can use that data, that V5 data, on an ongoing basis and add value to your process and extend your process.